Hi guys, it's Naomi. I hope you're having a wonderful day. We have slight problem at the moment in YouTube. I pass you over to Mark to explain.
Hi guys, it's Mark. As you can see, the banana garden's doing really well. Everything's flourishing. Just to let you know, we have a slight problem with YouTube in that we're not getting notifications of your uploads over the last 48 hours. We've checked on YouTube and it seems to be a problem other channels have experienced in the past, and we've just got to wait for it to be sorted. In the meantime, we're not going to be able to see your uploads. So rather than you think that we don't love you anymore, if you leave a comment on one of Naomi's recipes, we'll come back straight to your channel and give you a full view and comment so that we keep the love flowing. Thanks ever so much. Take care.
Hi guys, ang problema po kasi, yung mga new video nyo ay hindi po kami ina-update ng YouTube. Hindi po namin nakikita. So, paki-comment na lang ng one of my recipe. Pagkatapos, we will comment back with you ng mga bago nyong video na ina-upload. Tapos, we will watch full view. So, I hope that we will keep the love flowing. So, aalis muna ako ha. Sige, see you soon. Bye.
And remember, we're not just bananas. We've got some great recipes in Naomi's Filipino kitchen. And here's a wonderful lizard soaking up the sun in our garden.